Okay guys, so this is the part 2 of the same temperature issue happened. So when I try shooting in the sun, the temperature of the phone raises and then yeah, it cuts the video out there. So I showed you a diagram in which I told you like everything else is memory. Just like I think, let me give one example, okay? So whenever I started doing this, like people around me, they call me like you are selfish. In a way of, what you say? If you treat your family in the same way as other people, for them it is a demotion. You understand? It's not a promotion for them, it's a demotion. Because you're treating them separately. You understand? It's like a special disciple, like than the normal disciple. VIP status. Anyways, that is fine. But that thing that is said, if it is a trigger, it will be in your mind space all the time. And you will keep thinking like, oh my god, am I really selfish? Because if you are like a self-doubt kind of guy like me, you'll be like, oh, maybe I am selfish. But then what if you accept it? You know, because it is right here. This is all where it is. In real world, nothing is happening. Real world, I'm just like having a nice walk on grass. So much nice, like such a nice cold wind blowing and good sun. That is what in real life. There is no one here. There is no one in sight also. No person in sight. So this is all like thought recycling it, right? The mind is recycling the thought again and again. So the other way is to just accept it. Like the acceptance way is the Buddha's way. So Buddha accept everything. It's like, okay, you say I am mean, okay, I will be mean. Because look at his condition. Buddha left everything. His entire kingdom fell apart. His family fell apart. His kid died like I think 15, 16 years of age. Because he left, so the entire family kind of like tremored away. There's no, they understood it like it is meaningless. So he kind of like, in a way, if he say he actually, if you look at it that way, then he increased the suffering of the world. Because those guys were happy, right? Before, and now they are suffering because he took this decision. What if he was just like behaving like a nice king, you know, not touching any fabric of this and just doing his duty? So many kings came and went, nobody knows. He could have just done that, right? So, but the final thing is what? Like Buddha is like accepted. He's like, so he's just like sitting there and like whatever you will give me, I will accept. So, and there is no thought which he cannot accept. So if you say like, okay, are you basically he has no triggers left. He is with triggerless. Like if you say like, so everyone gets triggered by something. You notice it in conversations, okay? So what is a trigger? Trigger is something which gets their attention, okay? So some people will be triggered like if you talk about politics. So any word you say like about Modi, like Modi is like this, and they'll be like, what did you say? Now they are interested, triggered. Or everybody has like these particular things, okay? So you can make anybody lose their attention by using the triggers. So let's say Buddha, let's say somebody's trigger is a girl. So okay. So if I give that person that girl, like in front of that person attention will be on that. Now if I maybe like behind, you know what is happening on the other side of the world, he is not looking. He is only looking at that particular thing. You understand? So these old stories, they kind of blocks these triggers. So like Buddha's story might block these triggers by accepting it. They're like accept. So if anybody is cursing him, oh, you are like, beep beep, then you are beep beep, and he like, okay, I will be that, fine. No triggers. That guy cannot be triggered by anything. So these stories, what they will show by story itself, because this story is also a thought in itself. And if you listen to these stories more and more of these thoughts will take place in your life. So your memory will be kind of refreshed. You understand? Like for 50-30 years, your memory is full of maths, science, relations, maybe. Like what are the modern kids doing? Like their memories will be more of like games, phone maybe, like most of the time it is with phone. So other than phone, they won't have like much memories. So basically this is like, if you put in your memory ecosystem these kind of thoughts also, the thought in itself will try to put you in a positive way or start affecting you in a positive way. Because when that other thought was coming, the trigger thought, so this will also start behaving like a trigger thought in sometimes, but trigger for like something different, not the same thing that was happening there. So it's like that only. So that's why I wanted to clarify, because that is what is happening on really in life. Anybody who is doing all of this, like bhakti yoga, or like really doing it, like from honesty, that's what they are really doing. So if someone, like they call it like Krishna consciousness. So what is Krishna consciousness? Krishna consciousness is the entire like thought pot of Krishna story. So like basically they are saying is through his story you can understand anything in the world. They're like, so like how to behave with the brother. Oh, we have an example. See Balram, that's how you do. So okay, how do you invent something? Oh no, he invented so many stuff. Like look at this. This is how you invent. So they are saying like in this thought pot of story, right? Like it's a virtual world you have created, like the virtual world of Harry Potter, which like J.K. Rowling created, right? So it's like a virtual world, and in this virtual world, every kind of character there, every kind of mental concept is there. So the story itself has answer to all the mental concepts or mental questions. So he's like, who am I? So he like answers it directly, on battlefield. Like, who am I? Who are you? What is all of this happening? So this story has answers to most, if you look at it in a meaning terms of it. So I think this was a clarification, because this is a very risky area to undertake. So I wanted to set up the foundation right. So nobody is doing anything to you. You are just listening on your earphones. It's like in your ears. Whatever is happening inside you. This sound, do you think like these things, like this, some electric signal has the power to change something? No. But it is a kind of like retuning of brain or mind, your thoughts. Thought basket. That's a good word. Okay guys, so this will be